Hello friends, welcome to Brahma Gems. I am Anshul Goyal, the director of Brahma Gems. So today we will talk about रूबी या हिंदी में हम जिसको माणिक्य भी बोलते हैं. तो हम बेसिकली बात करने वाले हैं द सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द रूबी, द सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द नेचुरल रूबी. So there can be many substitute for the natural ruby such as a glass filling ruby which comes from Thailand, or a heated or treated ruby which again come from Thailand or Africa, Mozambique, or onyx, also red onyx, or any color which is of red in color can be a substitute for a ruby. But if you ask me as a gemologist कि is there really वाकई में ही क्या substitute काम करता है as far as the astrology is concerned, I will say no. Even the heated and treated stone won't work. तो substitute तो काम करेगा ही नहीं. If you really want to get result for the ruby, if you really want to get the benefits for the planet sun, and you are recommended to wear a ruby for the same, always go for a natural ruby from Africa, from Burma, whatever your budget is. Even you can go for the lowest quality ruby which comes from Africa, in spite of going for a substitute one, because there is no similarity between the natural ruby or any other substitute which can be a red onyx. All the properties are different except the color. So what I recommend is always go for the natural stone, unheated and untreated. रूबी की हमारी और भी वीडियोस हैं which clearly tells you about the difference between the old Burma ruby and the new Burma ruby, because many people are confused between new Burma and old Burma. So you can refer our videos for that, for the new Burma and the old Burma ruby, and there are many other videos for the ruby which will give you the more information about the pricing, the properties and the origins of the ruby. Thank you. If you have any other question, you can log on to www.brahmagems.com, or you can just call on at any time at our number 01147010101. इसके अलावा कुछ लोगों का सवाल रहता है कि आप डिलीवरी करते हैं नहीं, या इंडिया में ही डिलीवर करते हैं या बाहर से भी डिलीवरी करते हैं. बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल आस्क कि हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हैं, हम यूएस में हैं, हमारी डिलीवरी हो जाएगी. बिल्कुल हो जाएगी. Delivery within India is free of cost. Pan India delivery is free. Outside India, the delivery is charged as per actual. Generally it takes from 3 to 7 working days for outside India, and within India generally it takes 2 to 3 working days.